Indiana's limestone deposits were formed millions of years ago when a shallow inland sea covered most of North America. During the Ice Age, a glacial mass crept over land just north of Indiana's vast limestone belt. Subsequent runoff from the glacier revealed the thickly bedded sedimentary rock, composed primarily of skeletal fragments of marine organisms. Limestone from Indiana is one of the premier dimension stones in the world and has been graded superior for building. Elliott Stone Company is located in the heart of southern Indiana's limestone country, where the rolling landscape hides vast underground deposits of this premium building stone that has been quarried in this part of Indiana for more than 175 years. New York's Rockefeller Center, the Empire State Building, Washington, D.C.'s National Cathedral, and the famous Vanderbilt Estate in North Carolina. These are some of America's landmarks, built with limestone quarried in Indiana's limestone country. Founded in 1956, Elliott Stone Company is one of the oldest and most established limestone companies in the nation. With quarries located in Lawrence and Monroe counties, its reserve of premium limestone will meet customer needs for many centuries. Elliott's reputation as an innovator in limestone quarrying and fabrication has made them an industry leader. The company's unique underground quarrying operation allows them to fill customer orders on a year-round basis, regardless of weather conditions. Elliott's patented underground saw design was a major breakthrough in the company's limestone operations. This revolutionary underground saw can cut into a solid wall of limestone, vertically or horizontally, allowing for faster and more efficient quarrying. In addition to the quarry operation, Elliott Stone fabricates its limestone on site. Each order must go through several quality control checks from start to finish. These features have earned the company high marks in quality step tread production. Every limestone tread order is treated with the utmost attention and care. Each tread order goes through 12 different stages. The process is complex and costly, but each step is necessary to meet customers' high standards. A quarry is opened after Elliott's core samples indicate the limestone under the Earth's surface is a high quality. After initial excavation, the Elliott underground saw cuts into the wall of limestone to begin opening the underground site. Inside the quarry, the saw makes horizontal cuts from ceiling to floor. Vertical cuts are then made. The process moves along quickly. Inflated airbags are used as a wedge to ease the cut away from the solid wall. The backs of the stone blocks are separated, and the block is freed from the stone around it. Large front loaders equipped with forks remove the individual blocks from the wall of solid limestone. The front loaders can move limestone blocks weighing up to 40 tons. The limestone blocks are washed and inspected, the first of many times. Then they're marked for size and grade. Only about 40% of each round of cuts will be used for fabrication. Slab saws with diamond belts that can slice the solid limestone are used to break down the blocks into working sizes. Each slab is inspected for imperfections that may appear after the blocks have been cut. At this stage, the limestone is still green. The cut will show a variety of mottled tones as they start to dry in the open air. The color will continue to change since limestone is quarried from a spring-like underground environment. The limestone slabs even to a consistent color after the normal drying period, which can be up to 8 months. The cut slabs are separated by size, set in rows, and transferred to Elliott's on-site, state-of-the-art finishing mill. By running its own fabricating operation, Elliott Stone is able to incorporate superior quality control measures throughout its stone-cutting process. Limestone exhibits no preferential direction of splitting, which enables it to be cut and carved in a variety of shapes and sizes. Working off specific customer orders, the slabs are organized at the mill and loaded onto the multiple saw bed. Slabs up to 14 inches in width are run through the 400 horsepower multiple saw, set to cut a 2-inch thick limestone tread. With more than 24 48-inch diamond-tip blades, the multiple saw cuts thousands of limestone treads daily. The ends of each bundle are then cut to meet specified lengths. The stock is oriented vertically out of the joint saw and then rotated to a horizontal position so that the pieces can be picked up with a vacuum lift. Bundles are again separated by size, and each tread is laid out individually and inspected before going through the rock-facing machine. Using the vacuum lift, the operator inspects each tread and removes any that show imperfections. After the rock-facing procedure is completed, the stones are then bundled for customer order and readied for shipment. If a customer specifies treads wider than 14 inches, Elliott Stone uses a diamond belt slab saw to cut the large pieces. Following another inspection, the slabs are positioned using a vacuum lift to be stacked and jointed to length. A 76-inch diamond-tipped blade is used to joint the length of the large slabs. The next stage in the process is the individual loading onto the rock-facing line. Before the limestone treads are put through this final stage, an Elliott employee inspects the stone yet again for imperfections. After this inspection, the treads are then given a rock-faced edge. Finished stacked bundles are given a final inspection by an Elliott employee before being released for shipment. Elliott flagstone is fabricated by using the large diamond-belted slab saw to cut the pieces, which are then stacked and inspected for imperfections. The slab stacks are placed on the 76-inch saw, which has a precision rotating cart. The slabs are cut to size, then the cart is rotated and the second cut is made. This process ensures the flagstone is sized correctly and the corners are square. Elliott Stone also produces pier caps with either sawn, rock-faced, or bullnose edges. To produce the bullnose edge, a diamond tool shaping machine is used. This ensures a consistent edge. Bullnose edging is also offered on all of the tread products as well. The loading of a semi-bed is a careful process, as Elliott employees ensure each load is weighed correctly for the trip to the customer's stone yard. Once the order is on its way, the customer is notified that the order has been shipped. As the leading gray tread producers for the Northeast Corridor, Elliott's advanced quarrying techniques ensure customer needs are met on a timely basis. An added benefit to its underground operation is the ability to maintain the beauty and functionality of the farmland overhead, while simultaneously creating a cavernous space ideally suited for many commercial uses in the future. Through its exhaustive quality control measures, each Elliott Stone piece is thoroughly and repeatedly inspected to ensure it meets the highest standards. Natural limestone will show variations in color and texture, sometimes including the fossilized sea creatures that formed the limestone millions of years ago. The presence of these fossils or inconsistencies is not a defect, but rather a guarantee that it is genuine, natural Elliott limestone. The Elliott Stone Company is proud of its many years of dedicated service to its valued customers. The company's consistent effort to produce limestone treads, plus expert quality control and service, have contributed to its success as a major building supplier. By continuously developing new quarrying processes, finishing techniques, and machinery designed on-site, the company is able to provide its customers with quick delivery of the finest quality stone available. Elliott Stone looks forward to serving its customers in the years ahead.